Hi guys, welcome in Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and in today's episode I will make Brazilian cheese bread and these are my ingredients. Olive oil, some water, milk, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, tapioca starch, egg and some salt. First I will add my water, milk and my oil in a saucepan and bring it to boil. And then I take my tapioca starch and my salt and combine it very quick. My liquids are now boiling. I turn off the heat and pour it over my tapioca starch and combine everything with a spatula. When it's cooled enough to touch it with your hands, I take my whisked egg and add a little at a time and knead it with my hands in. When the egg is combined, I add also my cheese in it and knead it very well. Now I can roll my cheese balls. Here I have just a tiny little bit of olive oil that it doesn't stick on my hand. I just simply take around 1 tablespoon of the dough, give a little bit olive oil in my hand and roll the dough in little balls and place them on my baking pan. My cheese breads are now ready to go in the oven. I did preheat my oven to 340 degrees. I will bake them around 20 minutes, but depending on your oven, the baking time will change. What you can also do is at that stage to put them in a freezer and whenever you want, just take them out, put them on your baking dish and bake them at 375 until golden brown. My cheese breads that just came out of the oven. I like to serve them when they are still warm, but they also taste really good when they are cold. And these are my Brazilian cheese breads. I hope you will like the recipe. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will put all the exact measurements in the description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.